Hello crafty friends, it's Donna here, and in a strange twist of fate, this video is a little bit late going out because I've had a cold and I've been in need of a little chicken soup to get my voice back to do the voiceover. Let's have a look at the card kit I'm using and see why I think that's so funny. Today's cards use the Hero Arts December card kit. It's called Soup, there it is, and it will be perfect for get well cards, but also for love and friendship cards. There's a bunch of cardstock in different sort of autumn tones, and this big 6x8 stamp set with a whole lot of soup and vegetable images and matching dies, including the matching dies for every single sentiment there. There's also this really fun set of arms and hearts that you can use, and they fold together to make a card where the arms are hugging each other. I haven't made one of those cards for today, but I have used the hearts. There was also some delicious chocolatey looking Hero Arts acrylic paint, and I've used that for one of my cards today. As always, when I get the kit, the first thing that I do is stamp everything and just have a bit of fun colouring in. Sometimes I have some card sketches written down that I want to do, and sometimes I use this colouring time as thinking time to plan my ideas. Since I have all these beautiful autumn toned colours of paper, I thought I'd try and match my colouring, and so I've just grabbed out a bunch of Copics in similar colours to my paper, and I'll use those. Here's a couple of cards that I came up with using those coloured images. This first one says a super big thank you, and I've just lined up all of the different vegetables by height. Then I decided I'd make a grid pattern of vegetables with the sentiment You're Super. I've coloured one of the big soup pots, but there's also a stamp that you can use to stamp the soup inside it. I had a little trial run on my uncoloured image before stamping it onto the coloured image. I used a Get Well Soon sentiment for this one, as well as a thin layered border, which is one of my favourite things to do on cards. I then broke out the watercolours. You'll notice that my paint water container is always square. That's because I always drink Japanese tea while I craft, and the combination of paint water in a round container and tea in a round container is too much for me, and I always end up dipping in the wrong one or drinking the wrong one. So what I've done with these little bowls is I've painted this beautiful rich chocolatey acrylic paint on in different amounts. I want to show this chocolate batter being slowly eaten. I don't know about you, but I'm yet to meet a cake that tastes better after you cook it. I'm a big fan of licking the bowl. I used that same chocolatey brown paint to spatter all over my background to make a true recreation of my kitchen when I'm cooking. Finally, I've got a set of 2 cards that use the heart die, but also the stripes from the sleeves of the arms. And I'm going to take those together and run them through my die cutting machine. I'll do that twice, once with red and once with green. And then I'll switch out those little insets for a set of 2 cards, and I've used the sentiment, You're Fabulous. This is the only sentiment which does not come directly from this card set, and it's from a basic sentiment set. I'll leave a link to that and all the supplies in the box below this video. So there you have it. Just a bit of fun using some vegetables, my favourite things, to make a fun set of cards. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll be back very soon with another video now that my voice is recovered. I look forward to sharing that and also some life updates in the very near future. Bye for now.